In this video, I will show you how to change the year on Google Earth Street View. If you are using a smartphone, open Google Earth app. If you are using on Windows PC, open your browser and go to Google Earth by typing Google Earth in the search bar and hitting enter. Click on Explore Google Earth and wait for the website to load. Look for the historical imagery button. If you can't see it, make sure it's not hidden by checking the settings. Click on Historical Imagery to activate it. You will see a timeline slider at the top of the screen. Drag the slider backward to go to an earlier year, such as 2020, 2017, or even 2010. As you move the slider, the map updates to show older images from that time. That's it. Now you know how to change the year on Google Earth Street View to explore different time periods. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.